Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn Resume Builder with Zety, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Zety and press enter. Click on the official Zety website link that appears in the search results. Upon reaching the Zety homepage, look for the Resume Builder option. Click on the Resume Builder link to access the resume creation tool. Once on the Resume Builder page, you will see various templates available for selection. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits your desired style. After selecting a template, click on the Start Creating My Resume button. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you need to create a new account, fill in the required information such as email and password. After completing your registration, verify your email if prompted. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the resume editing interface. Follow the step-by-step guide provided by Zety to fill in your resume details. Begin by entering your contact information at the top of the page. Next, move on to filling out your professional summary or objective. The following sections will allow you to add your work experience. Input your job titles, companies, and the dates of employment. After work experience, proceed to add your educational background. Fill in your degree, major, institution, and graduation date. If applicable, include any additional sections such as skills, certifications, or languages. Once you are satisfied with your resume content, review it for any errors. Utilize Zety's spell check feature to ensure everything is accurate. When ready, click on the download button to save your resume. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or Word. Confirm the download and watch as your resume is generated. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to double-check that everything is formatted correctly. Your LinkedIn resume is now ready for use with Zety. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.